I want to cut my piece out now. So the thing I want to do in Corel is I want to draw my shape, size my shape properly, and then I want to turn it to a hairline outline. Anything above a hairline in CorelDRAW will engrave. It has to be hairline in order for it to cut all the way out of the material. If you're using Adobe Illustrator, it's 0.001 or 0.004, depends on the version. If you're using AutoCAD, SolidWorks, any software that does the DXF files, it is 0.00. So we have our hairline. We go to print. Again, I just want to use what I have selected.
And then go over to your PostScript tab and uncheck Convert True Type to Type 1. Then go down and select Apply.
So I'll press Selection, Print. We'll shut our lid. And the great thing about our camera is we can adjust the contrast, everything on this, so we can actually see where our material is, even if there's light that's coming down on it. Okay, so I have this here, but even if I move it, now it's over here, I can adjust all this and see where everything is. So now that's coming through. Adjust it some more, raise that contrast up. Here we go. I'll move my piece over that. So now that will fix any kind of mess up if I forgot to send the cut file or anything of that nature. You can readjust using the camera and use our accuracy. So I'll go to my folder, wood, 1/8 inch, import, and now I'm ready to print.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL CreativeSpace at www.jesspublib.org/creativespace.